Good night. For you.
Babe, can you hear me? Ah, boy, but I don't know. This. Babe.
He stares deep into her eyes, and in that ocean of uncertainty, he sees himself. He looks away and stares again. Jesus Christ. Seriously, Fola, what is this?
Can you believe it? My girl Fola is finally moving up in the world. Eh? Well, to Abuja, no less fancy.
Come on, it's work, okay? Not a vacation. Do you hear me? And stop standing there like you own the place. Come help me zip up this bag.
See, if you spend half the time you spend on complaining of finding a man or a husband for...
Well, you still be an Uber driver and a too-big agent with no clients.
Ouch.
Yes, ouch.
That one enter.
Stop.
See you, eh? Hola.
Oh.
If I listen to the way you talk, I'll forget the reason I came here. Yeah. So, let me open this real quick. To the new gig.
Cheers.
May not drive me crazy.
Or bankrupt.
So, tell me, what's the plan? impress me with some, professionalism stuffs.
Impress you? Come on, that's a low blow. Okay, let me give you a rundown of things, okay? So I'll travel to Abuja tomorrow. The Noah's residence is in Maitama. It's big, fancy, dripping with pretentiousness. I think I'm going to spend the first few days searching through Tolu's office, notes, drafts, whatever scraps she left behind. And I think once I have an outline, I'll finish this thing. Yeah.
So no sleepovers at Casa de Noah? I mean, you're literally rubbing elbows with the elite.
Stan, come on. Have some respect for the dead. The lady just died.
I beg, that was 2 years ago now, according to the editors.
Listen, I'm not ready to play house in a stranger's house, okay? Plus, the agent of the house said the house is going to be ready very soon, so I just want to lock myself up and just work with no distractions.
Distractions, she said. The Fola I know would procrastinate some more, and then end up watching terrible reality TV.
Well, says the man who can't spend 5 minutes without checking Tinder, despite the fact that he has a pregnant, sweet girlfriend.
Ouch, Fola, that was a low blow.
Yeah, classic Fola style.
Wow.
It's kind of weird though. Finishing someone else's story. It feels like walking into a room you're not invited to.
I mean, maybe. But they picked you, Fola. They chose you. It has to mean something.
But Stan, thank you. I mean, for everything,
Hey, I mean, someone has got to keep your stubborn ass in check. I mean, if I don't have you, who else do I have to, disturb me for the rest of my life? Huh? So, enough of all that motion. Ready for the big leagues?
Ready as I'll ever be. Yeah, I think I'm all set for tomorrow.
Also.
Yeah.
Let me help you move this. Okay.
Corner.
All these boots.
Yeah, I know, right? It's going to be too heavy.
Thank you, customer. God bless you. Thank you. Yeah, now. Àwọn customer alálùbáríkà. Cinderella. So you've been sitting down there since, waiting for manners from heaven. Let me tell you, all the manners that have been falling on you, they came from this shop. They came from me selling all these things. And you will walk. So stand up now and go attend to all the customers that are waiting. Get up! Go attend to customers. You sat down there since, doing nothing. Irano.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Can I take this one?
Your bill.
You have to ask her.
Yeah.
Can I take this?
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma.
Thank you.
What kind of nonsense is that? Please don't do it again. Please, ma. Hello, ma. Please.
Please,
Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Okay, the first time you not hear me, Abi. You will talk to these customers, so I don't like it. How dare you touch me?
Don't you know I'm your customer?
Are you normal? If you want to find a customer, go and meet her. Please don't try that nonsense again, no. I am mad. I will make sure I finish you in this place.
Hey, you think you are fine with this? Your
You must be very stupid. You can't even afford to clothe yourself. Talk more of take care of yourself. And you want to touch a woman without her permission. Don't you ever try it in your life.
Cinderella.
I do not blame you.
Yeah. You don't even know who you are. Eh? But trouble no they come on for your man.
And they tell him to leave this place. Did you hear how he tries to touch me? You're actually permitting bad behavior. Okay, get out of this place. Get out, idiot. And you are the man. You are the idiot man that I want in my life. Are you mad? I will call police on you right now. It's okay. No, it's okay. Touch me now. Touch me. Touch me.
It's okay.
Don't worry.
Thank you. God bless you, customer.
can I ask you?
Sure.
So your money is 3,000 naira.
Yeah.
Thank you. Madam, this is 2,500 now, but your money is 3,000 now.
I mean, your air conditioning wasn't working. I deducted for discomfort.
Please, madam, you agreed to the fare, didn't you?
I agreed for a cool ride. Did I get it? No.
I beg, madam, I beg, no stress me, I beg. Pay me my money now. What be this now?
He's harassing me. Oh my God.
I'll not touch you. What's in this one? Eh? Mami water. That's what they do. Come on.
When I turn up, you get going. At every stop, baby, oh, it's showing. If I should stay, you find a reason to leave when I'm busy.
Hello, Miss Kuti. Or would you prefer candle?
Mr. Noah?
Exactly. Mr. Noah. I see you've made yourself a bit more presentable. That's progress, for sure.
Funny.
It is funny, actually. But why don't you come in? Don't just stand there. You know, I don't want my neighbors to think I'm hosting a lost tourist. Not too far from the truth, but still. Come on in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
I assume you're aware I am here to complete your lead wife's book series.
She was my wife. And you're in my house. You don't think I'm stupid, do you?
Of course not.
Okay. Well, you'll be working from my office. But I should tell you, she wasn't the most organized person, you know? I mean, she would scribble notes on anything writable. She would write on tissue paper. She'd write on her skin. She'd write on wood, you know? There was one time she was cooking and she thought up a line she could use for one of her books. And she wrote it down on a wooden spoon. Something you'd like to say?
Nothing that you might find interesting.
You don't know me. You don't know what I'll find interesting or not.
Which way, please?
That way. Right.
I better bring drink now. A glass cup. Okay. A glass cup. Fine girl, how are
Get
you?
your hands off me.
Come on for you. Who are you?
Don't you ever talk to me like that. Do you have any self-respect?
I don't understand.
How you just see somebody you don't know and you're trying to touch the person?
Come on for you. I'm on the pay you. I don't feel you.
Break your head. You're mad.
You won't break my
Try
head.
touching me again. Try touching me. If I don't go break this thing you call head, when you get brain inside,
You break my head.
I will break it.
I go pay you.
I will break them. Try me.
Who bring this guy here? Calm down.
Okay, you want to collect bottles?
Calm down.
I have one person. Oh yeah, now break them.
No,
Break them.
today.
I say break
No,
them.
one bottle
I will break your head.
You try now.
Look at you. You go.
Come
Come out.
Do you know who I am? Hey, come here.
Wait. If I see you in this store again, come to this store again and see what I'll do to you.
Wow. Yeah?
I know. I warned you.
Wow. He must have been a workaholic.
Yeah, that, amongst other things.
I am in the workspace of the Tolu Noir.
What, are you a fan?
Without 3 blades.
You don't strike me as the fangirl material, you know, that kind of person.
Okay. Well, for the best, I make exceptions.
Wow. The best. That's high praise.
Yes, the best. Or don't you believe in the genius of your late wife?
I mean, she's a brilliant writer, right? I've read people say she's really good, you know, so. I mean, I don't dabble in romance, okay, so don't crucify me. I'm not judging her negatively, I'm just saying it's not my thing.
No, I'm not judging you. Well, maybe a little.
Well, I'm glad to know my mind reading skills are not so rusty anymore, you know?
Wait, are you saying that you can read my mind?
I literally just read your mind.
Who am I? Tell me, who am I? Give me anything. What's my street number? Who is my mom? Where is my family? Anything. I just want to remember something. I could be a stripper. I can be an arm robber. I don't care. Anything. Just give me a memory, please. I'll take anything but this place, please. This can't be my life. Please, please. Please, please. Please. I need to remember something. Please, please. Ah! Please. Please.
Still for a while, and you smile. I know
That's what I admire about her writing. I mean, that certain je ne sais quoi. I mean, that raw feeling that you can't quite pin your hand on.
Spoken like a true fangirl. You know, the offside to this little speech he just gave is the prospects of getting this project wrapped up as soon as possible.
Are you always this cocky?
Confident. That's the word you're searching for. Confident, okay? In which case, yeah, 168 hours a week.
definitely cocky.
I see you're so stubborn, huh? Well, we're done here. Okay, when I'm not working, I'll be at your service in case you have any questions about the best, right?
Well, I doubt that your services will be on my radar.
Am I the one that's supposed to be cocky or... Because I'm confused. I thought I was the one that was supposed to be cocky. Anyways, let me show you to your room, Candle.
Fola.
Oh, I'm sorry, Fola. This week, Fola. Come on in. So this is the room. Everything works. The AC, the lights, the TV, the fridge. It's yours. Like it?
Well, if you're asking me how you are doing as a host, I'm afraid your review does not go up more than 2 stars.
Ouch. Why would you say that? That's so brutal. Do you have to be that brutal? Are you always this brutal?
Well, 168 hours a week to cocky guys like you.
I know I wasn't hallucinating when I remembered you as interesting that morning. I have a question for you, though. Why did you leave that morning?
Look, Mr. Noir,
Yes.
I'd appreciate we divert our attention to where it belongs.
You're so feisty. That's wonderful. That's how I remember you, being feisty, you know. But I'm a gentleman, so I'll focus my energy where it needs to be focused and adhere to your wish.
Thank you. And thank you for doing this. I promise to be out of your hair in 2 days.
See you at dinner.
Gentleman indeed.
Hello. Shadi, what is it? What?
See, let me tell you. You see all this big girl forming that you are forming. It will not help you. Let me tell you, this is where you belong.
I do not belong here. I don't belong here, Shadi. Respect yourself. As I'm minding my business, respect yourself. Leave me alone. What is it?
Where you can't belong, oh, Madam Cinderella. Answer me, I say, where did you belong? Name you no remember. Family you no get. Money? Go see. You dey here, the phone boss lady.
I will remember my name. It may take time, but I will remember who I am. But you see this place? I don't belong here.
Oh my God.
Look at you. Coming in here smelling of sweat and failure. Driving strangers around for peanuts?
Jide, not tonight, please.
Not tonight. You think you get to pick and choose, Mr. Big Shot Book Agent? Oh wait, you're not even that. You are Fola's errand boy. Running around pretending to be something important.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, I don't I? Then tell me why I'm stuck in this shoebox of a room with you when you promised me a fantasy of a good life in this Lagos. Oh God, you're so pathetic. Don't even get me started on this, baby. You think I want this with you? You think I want this? You're broke, lying ass, couldn't even manage a condom. And now I'm stuck here with you homeless because my parents can't stand you.
I didn't force you to stay, did I?
Stay? Stay where? Will I stay on the streets? Or will I sleep in your Uber? Or maybe you can add homeless shelter on the wheels to your resume.
Enough! I am trying, okay? I am out there every day, killing myself just to make this work for us. But nothing seems to be enough for you, is there?
Trying doesn't cut it. Trying can't pay the bills. Trying cannot feed me and the baby. Trying sure as hell cannot give me the life you promised me.
I am sorry, okay? I am doing the best that I can.
Your best is not good enough. Your best is not good enough, Stan. And if you think that I'm going to raise my baby in this dump and watch you try to figure out how to be a man, you better have another thing coming, Stan. You better have another thing coming.
Jide, look. It's just going to take a little while, okay? Fola is going to finish the book, get it approved, and then we'll be paid. We'll be paid enough. Okay, please, just exercise a little patience for me. Please.
Joseph the dreams.
Hello?
Hi.
I don't bite, you know that, right?
I wouldn't be an easy prey if you did.
But why are you so nervous?
I am not.
Okay, alright. I'm cocky, allegedly, but I'm not blind though.
And why would I be nervous? Because you're Daffy Noir?
I mean, that's a good enough reason for me, you know? But I could argue that's not the first on the list though.
Could you be someplace else?
That's where you're out of luck, okay? I like spending time with my guests, you know? So we're stuck together.
Huh.
Sorry.
So for the sole purpose of irritating them and getting under their skin, huh?
I would have said for the sole purpose of being a great host, but I love your answer more, so what you said, yeah, we'll go with that. So, when are you starting?
Tomorrow? But I still have to reread the series again, but everything officially starts tomorrow.
Strike while the iron is hot. I like it. You know? I mean, I would have helped during my free time, but you said you don't need my services, you know. Not that you can afford me, but I offered for free.
Or I'd rather just love to work without any distractions.
Oh, now it makes sense. I get it now. So you're distracted by my charm. It's too much of a distraction for you.
Oh, please do not flatter yourself.
It's not flattery, baby. It's facts. There's a difference. I'm sorry.
So what else do you do if you're not getting under people's skin?
Wait, I can't make a full-time job of it. Is that what you're saying? I think I can go full-time with it. Wait, hold on. I thought you were smart. You should have figured it out by now. You should have deciphered the code.
What?
Or did I overestimate you?
You're a photographer.
Bravo. Touche, actually. That's impressive. You know, product photographer, not just a photographer. There's a difference, you know. We sell the image with the image.
Nice.
Okay, I'll be over there. Unless you need help with that. Do you?
I'm good, thank you.
Alright, I'll be over there.
Who are you?
It's just you. Good night, Fuller.
Oh my god! Jesus. It's just a dream. Oh my god, it's just a dream.
You play like someone who has a lot to say, but no words to say it with.
Sometimes it's easier that way, you know? No one to argue with the melody.
A man of many worlds. You cook, you play the guitar, you freeze time with your lens. I mean, Tolu must have been very happy.
Yeah, she was happy. Very happy. Too happy.
What about you?
What's about me?
Were you happy with her, with your marriage?
Yeah. Insomnia?
Nightmare. You?
Same. Why don't I get you a glass and we can talk about the boogeyman over whiskey?
Scary, but yeah.
Great. Back in a second.
Okay.
Stan. Stan, wake up. Stan, wake up now.
It's late now. What is it?
It's my back. Please come and rub it for me. It's paining me.
Oh. Where? What part of your back?
So this small now.
Sorry.
Down.
See here.
Down.
Yeah.
Down now. Are you even trying?
Sorry. Like it here.
Yes.
Okay.
Stan, I want suya.
Eh?
And Gary. Right now.
It's 2 a.m. in the morning now. Please be reasonable. I beg. Where do you want me to find Suya and Gary by this
With
time?
all that you're driving around in that Uber, you mean to tell me you don't know one single overnight suya spot?
Please be reasonable.
Okay, forget it. Don't worry about it. What kind of man cannot take care of his pregnant girlfriend? What kind of man cannot take care of his pregnant girlfriend? It's not like I asked you to buy me a car. Oh. It's just suya that I asked you to buy, but you're too busy chasing your big dreams of driving people around this city.
It's fine.
Did I ask for this?
It's fine. It's suya you want, Abby. It's suya you want, Abby. Eh?
Yes, with Gary.
I'll go.
You should put pepper.
Okay, yes, ma. Oh, God. Suya and Gary.
Be going now.
In Lagos by
Okay,
2 a.m.
don't worry about it. Don't go anymore.
It's fine,
now.
I'm going. Say it's suya.
Tell me if I asked to be homeless. I got myself pregnant. Yes.
I'm tired of talking again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling.
2 a.m. in the morning.
I said don't worry about it now. Oh yeah, don't worry about it. Come and lie down. Let me sleep homeless and hungry.
Trust me when I say we gon' be okay. We just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight. You know that I'm right.
Hey. Looks like someone missed me, huh?
So you haven't slept off some of that attitude I see.
Oh, I didn't tell you. My bad. I'm so sorry. Okay, the attitude is full of come actually. It's natural. I can't sleep at all. I'm sorry. Actually, I told you though. My bad. Look at your face. I mean, truth hurts. I'm sorry.
Well, the truth is, I actually prefer the vulnerable Daphne Noir. I mean, the guitarist who was human.
Okay. Well, the truth is, I prefer the Paula Kuti that's scared, and she was kind of silly, kind of, innocent, telling me about her nightmares. I prefer that one.
I wasn't scared.
You weren't scared? Yeah, right. Yeah. Okay. You can go back to sleep. I mean, it's not night, but you can do what you want.
I love you, Daffy. Look at me. Daffy.
That's ridiculous.
Babe, so I've decided I'm taking on my room.
What?
You heard me. I'm taking out my womb. It's my body, Daffy. And we both know where I stand about having kids. Why are you acting surprised? I'm not having children.
Babe, what are you talking about? You know wanting kids and you taking out your womb, it's like two totally different things. Okay,
Not
babe,
for
no,
me.
babe. It's way too extreme. Honestly, it's way too extreme.
Not for me. Daffy, you have always known where I stand about this.
I thought you changed your mind, babe. I thought you changed your mind and maybe one day you carry out a baby. 1 or 2. That's all I ask. I'm not asking too much.
That you'd even want to share me with a child.
Are you serious right now?
I wouldn't do that to you. I love you too much for that,
Babe,
Daffy.
it's not love. It's not. I'm sorry. It's not love. I gotta be honest with you. Okay. I don't know what it is. It's obsession or control, but it's not love, and it's definitely not healthy.
You don't understand, do you? I would give my kidney for you, my second kidney. Daffy, I would give my heart if you wanted it. That is how much I love you. But to give you a child, I'm not doing that. I can't.
You're talking about giving me your second kidney, but you can't even consider giving us a future. You don't also consider giving us a family.
A child is not a family. Ifemi, I am your family. Can't you see? You're my world. I wouldn't dream of sharing you with anybody. Nobody's taking your attention, your love. I don't even have enough of that in the first place.
I say this is a lost cause.
I don't know why you're saying it like that. It's not a lost cause. You have me, I have you. You're my world.
See, that's what scares me.
I love you, Daffy. Look at me. Daffy.
Somewhere between the clouds, I think I saw the sky, and we could paint it blue, but it don't matter to you, 'cause it rained pours, and it rained pours on me, and it rained pours, sky fall, I am a lose, if I
Yeah, so in Ikoyi, my uncle's house in Ikoyi. You know, I told you my uncle had a duplex in Ikoyi. Yeah, and he doesn't let me go out. You know how these old men can be. And he's the one sponsoring my abroad trip. So me, I can't even disobey him.
Where are my keys?
Yeah, so I'll let you know. I'll let you know when I'm free. Just let me handle him small.
GT, where are my keys now?
I'll let you know when I'm free, Sha. Yeah, just let me handle him with it.
GT, where are my keys? My keys, where are they?
Excuse me. How would I know?
Look.
Do I drive your car?
Look, I don't have time for this, okay? Give me my keys now.
Oh, so it's my fault, Abby? No, everything is Jite's fault now.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, don't wound me. From your miserable life to your low-paying job to being stuck in this storage unit.
Oh, so this isn't just about my key, Abby. This is not...
Of course! Of course. You think I like being here? You think I'm enjoying this? You think I like being pregnant and stuck with you?
You know what? Just keep the fucking keys, okay?
Supposed
you
to
can
be
keep
in
it.
Ikoyi now. I'm supposed to be in Ikoyi living with someone who can actually take care of me.
Ikoyi. Did I force you? Go to Ikoyi. Keep the fucking keys, okay?
Excuse me, where are you going?
Peter, leave me alone now. What is this one now?
It's my leg is paining me. Come and massage my leg.
Please,
Make yourself.
Look, I need to find my keys and go to work. I beg. I don't have time for this your antics now. I beg. Just leave me. I beg, just leave me.
When you're ready, my leg is here.
Peter, what is this now? I beg. What's this now?
When you're ready, my leg is here.
God, I beg.
Well, there is tons of materials to go through.
Haven't you heard of a tiny little word called break?
Well, inspiration is a rare gem, and when you find it, you have to milk all you can.
Interesting. So how's that going for you?
Well, not too bad. I'm just trying to step into her mental footprint so I can pick up from where she left off. You okay?
You know, I would say I've never met an African woman without the weight of motherhood in her dreams, you know? Or at least the expectations of it. But that would be a lie. I lived with one for 8 years.
Do you want to talk about it?
No, I don't think so. It's cool.
You know what? I'll get us lunch. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Emeka, but you are useless. Hey, you are very useless, Emeka. Emeka, see where you brought me to now. What is this? Look how I'm sweating. Your mates are out there, driving Benz, building houses, you know, and you're here, sitting down, waiting for better days, broke ass nigga, carrying dread up and down. Babe, better days are coming. Better days are when will the better days come? Emeka, better days cannot come for you. You are useless. God forbid, God forbid, God forbid. I don't know what I'm still doing with you. I don't just know. Look at me drinking cheap drink. Look at what you can afford. You cannot afford a proper drink, Emeka. Emeka, what is it?
Madam,
Did
please,
they say-
please. If you're so tired, why are you still here? Abi, you enjoy hearing the sound of your voice.
Excuse me.
I'm talking to you. People like you are what is wrong with the world. You are what is wrong with this world.
Madam.
You're so wicked.
Madam,
Talking to him like he has no self-worth when you don't have any self-worth. You are a wicked person.
And who are you to tell me what to do with my man, madam?
You have no self-confidence and you want to take it out on him. If you need money, make it for yourself, ma.
Make it. Don't make him live up to expectations that you have. You have not even begun to take care of yourself. Why are you taking it out on him?
Auntie Bartender, I don't understand. What do you know me?
I know you.
Do you
I
know us?
People like you.
Why are you involving yourself in my relationship?
Because you need to let him live.
Emeka, are you hearing her?
Yes, he's hearing you and he agrees with me, I'm sure. Work on yourself. Stop making him your problem.
Emeka, let's leave.
Uncle, stand up. Let's go home. Oga, do you want to go?
I'm okay. You are free to leave.
What? Emeka?
He doesn't. You heard him.
Broke ass niggas.
Take your broke ass phone with you.
Broke ass niggas, you guys suit each other, bartender. You will never result to anything good in life.
Get out. Get out. You.
I'll deal with you.
Hey. I'm sure next thing after you leave him, you'll be homeless.
Shut up and
Get
go.
out.
Go attend to your dreams.
Look at her.
Nonsense.
Oga, next time learn to speak up for yourself. Don't let a woman talk to you like that. You're welcome.
I beg you. You said, waiting take concern you between boyfriend and girlfriend matter. Eh? Now Emeka, you want take shine? See, Oma, I tell you, Emeka no go help you. Now only a shower work. You will use.
Are you mad? No, say it again now. Say it again. If you have mind, say it. Say it again. Let me not know if I'll kill you today. Ma.
Could you help me pass that?
This or the drink?
A drink.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Welcome.
You know, I know this might be difficult for you, given our history. But the editors suggest that I help you.
First off, we don't have history.
That's interesting. I mean, I seem to remember some chapters that you've conveniently forgotten about.
Wait. Did you plan all of this?
Plan what? How? That's ridiculous you asking me that question, because all you left, when you left, was a note that said candy on it. And you proclaimed that you were broke. So, unless you think I'm Superman or something, that's a hilarious question to ask.
Superman? Maybe not. But stalker? Maybe.
You think I stalked you?
Well, because you weren't the least surprised when I showed up at your doorstep.
Okay. That's funny. Candle. I'm sorry. Miss Fola. A man like me, a man that has loads of options, doesn't have the bandwidth. I'm capable of a lot, but I'm not capable of stalking a lady. I couldn't do that. But like I mentioned to you earlier, I'm not stupid. Okay? So I ran a background check on the person I'll be opening my doors to.
Proves my point exactly.
Okay. All right. Let's keep it professional. I think you're right.
Well, at least we finally agree on something.
Yeah, we would agree on that if it's not so difficult for you to hang out with a hot guy, you know?
I don't have a problem with professionalism.
That's good to know. You're still staring at me. It's not very professional. Why are you not eating?
I am eating.
I'm sorry. You're still staring at me.
Jesus Christ.
So I've been on the phone. I've tried to call this guy since yesterday. Nothing. This guy has just been flaky. But Fola, I promise you I will find something for you, okay?
Stan, you told me this guy was reliable.
How would I have known now? If I knew he was going to bail on me, I wouldn't have contacted him in the first place. See, Lagos agents are going to really mess you up. They're the worst set of people to deal with.
It's okay. Daffy said I can crash it till you figure something out.
Oh, that's actually nice, oh. But look, I know the pool is deep, but I'll keep searching. I promise you that.
Please do. Please do, Stan. Thank you.
Just hang in there, okay? You know I got you.
I know. So, other than the obvious, how is my guy?
You see, this money, this first payment is very important. I would need it to come through, okay? Because GT has just been out of hand recently.
Just try not to smother her in her sleep. Let's get our baby first. Then you have my blessing.
How are you, Jerry?
Well, besides the obvious, one night stand are now housemates. Besides that, I'm fine.
Fola Kuti, you like this guy.
Well, yeah. But
See, fine girl. What do you fear? Enter his bed already. Abba.
So, they came yesterday. The man said he will pay tomorrow. He's bringing that Oga that delivers water to us. So I just wrote it along with their pending.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Hey, Cinderella, come. I know you are hungry about a lot of things. I know you are struggling. But wherever you're coming from, wherever you came from, I think you should forget about it. This is your life now. Embrace it. You can go back to your work.
I don't belong here.
How on earth is this happening again? Everything was supposed to be sorted, okay? Don't say that. Do not say that because nobody told me about that, okay? Nobody told me about that, and I'm telling you right now, I'm not doing it, okay? I am not doing it. On God, I'm not doing it. She has nothing left. She has nothing left until the publisher fails for this last book that the new writer is writing. She has absolutely... Listen to me. Oh. But I'm telling you right now, nobody on God's green earth is taking this house from me. It's impossible. It's mine and nobody can take it. Okay? I want you to... No, listen. It's mine and nobody's taking it. Ridiculous! What on earth is going on?
I have a question for you.
Okay.
What do you think of Tolunoa?
What?
You're a great judge of character, a great judge of people. Given everything you've read, heard, seen, and know about her, what do you think of Tolunoa? You're the best.
Daffy.
Please just answer me honestly. That's all I ask. What do you think of my wife?
Well, she was brilliant, a force.
Selfish? Controlling?
Well, maybe she knew what she wanted.
That's wonderful. That's a nice way to try and clean it up, Maybe she knew what she wanted. And she'll get it, too. Regardless of who she had to bend to get there.
Wait, what's going on?
She didn't believe in sharing, you know. Not her space, not her time, not even me. Said she loved me too much for that. That doesn't even make sense. How could you love someone so much you cage them?
Maybe she was afraid of losing control of losing you.
Yeah, that's funny. That's a new angle, though. Maybe she was afraid. Tolu, afraid. She made me afraid. I was afraid of wanting more. I was afraid of speaking out. And I had to do it all, you know, because she saved me. Like, I owed her my life. She saved my life. She gave me a kidney. And I needed one, you know, so I owed her. I had to marry her. I had to do all of that.
Daffy, you're not in a cage anymore, so you can't keep fighting ghosts.
Oh, that ghost left me with a huge, massive gambling debt. Gambling. I didn't even know she was an addict. Yeah, but you okay?
Oh my god.
You okay? No, you're okay. It's just a nightmare. Just a nightmare. Just a nightmare. Okay? You're good. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay? Relax. You're good now, right?
Look, this was a mistake.
What? What was a mistake?
We shouldn't be doing this, okay?
What?
I have to go.
What are you talking about? Are you serious right now?
This isn't right. I can't.
No. Wait, hold on. Let's talk. You're serious? What? Is this level of dedication normal, or should I be flattered?
Well, it's called professionalism. You should try it sometime.
Fair point. Fair point. I have a question though. With your professionalism, is there room for fear?
I'm not afraid, Daffy.
Says the one that's always running. That's funny. That's funny coming from you, honestly.
Daffy, can you please leave me alone?
I see you waged another war against sleep last night. Mind to share the details?
Daffy, I'm fine.
You're such a terrible liar, honestly.
Please, can you just let me be?
Come on, share a little bit. I mean, I spilled my guts to you. It's only fair you share a little.
Well, I didn't ask you to spill your guts, okay? You did that on your own, so just... I don't owe you shit, Daffy.
That's incredibly insensitive. Are you serious right now? Huh? Wait, hold on. Whoa. Because you're a coward. Someone that's too afraid to figure out what she wants. I'm sorry, I have to call it how it is. You're a coward, okay? You hide behind your anger instead of facing your fears. I mean, you're the kind of person that won't get to the top because you hide behind someone else's shadow instead of casting your own. That's you.
You think I have a shadow to hide in? If people like you knew that I was selling my body since I was 15? You think I would have more than a Wattpad story to my name? If you knew that my mother sold me to the men in my neighborhood before I was even 18?
Fola, wait.
Or do you think your mighty abode would still open its doors to me? If you knew that my mother went to prison because I killed a man out of self-defense? And ever since she got out, she's been a leech over me, saying that I owe her my life. Something that she put me there in the first place. I don't think so. Now that you know the truth about my life, I'll just find somewhere else to stay.
Fola, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm really sorry about everything you had to go through. But that story doesn't define you. It doesn't. Okay, that's not who you are. I mean, you got this job because you're brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. The way you write, it's different. It's uncanny. Okay, and the editor saw that, and I see it. Okay? Okay, what happened in the past, it doesn't matter at all. At least to me, it doesn't, honestly. You're good at what you do, and I like you. That's all that matters. The rest is nonsense. Okay? So please, stay. Please. Okay, I'll get out of your way. I promise. I'll get out of your way. We can start over again. We'll leave the past in the past, and I won't bother you ever again. Unless you want me to, you know? But yeah.
All the times I convince myself there gotta be heaven and hell. Once again, you stab a chest. Swear to God, you're a narcissist. Never again. Through the fire, through the flames. That's how it burns when I hear your name.
How can I get through you? Oh, tell me, tell me, tell me. How can I get through to you? How can I get through to you? How can I get through to you? Need to know, need to know. How can I get through to you? When I turn up, you get going. At every stop, baby, oh, showing. I should stay to find a reason to leave when I'm busy. That's the time you are free. Just tell me what should I do? How can I get how can I get through? How can I get through? Tell me, baby. How can I get how can I get to you? How can I get through to you? With every step you take to
Mommy, please stop calling me. Stop calling me. Don't call me. You have ruined my life. You have torn it apart. And now there is nothing left for you to take. Nothing. You've destroyed me. And I am not going to let you keep doing this to me. Do you hear me? I am done. Done.
Where have you been? Ignoring me like I don't exist? You think you can do as you like, Abby? Stan, I dare you to ignore me! You think you can make a fool out of me, Abby? Why did I believe you? Why are you doing this to me? Why did I believe that you can take care of me? Why did you useless my life?
I'm just coming back from work now. What is it? Please, I don't have time for this. I beg.
Stan.
GT. Is everything okay?
It's coming.
God, my good son. Now. Just sit down. Sit down. Hello? What's going on in my room? Hello? Please, just sit down. Sorry. Bro, please, can you help? Can you, please? Sorry. I'll take it from now. Sorry. Okay, take this. Okay, sorry. What do we need to pack a bag? Oh God, sorry. Sorry now. Sorry.
I cannot wait to see my first ever goddaughter.
Hola.
I'll call you back, okay?
Hola. Didn't see you at dinner again tonight. What's going on? I'm starting to think you're avoiding me.
And why would I be avoiding you?
I don't know. I'm asking. Maybe it has something to do with the model. I don't know.
I don't care what you do with your products or probably what you're spinning into some atrocious scene.
Products? That's what we're calling human beings now. Products?
Listen, Dafe, this is your house, and I don't care what you do in it, okay?
You're jealous, aren't you? Let's tell you're jealous right now.
Dafe.
Yes.
Take it easy. He ain't that great.
Okay, look me in my eyes and tell me you don't want me. You see, you want me as much as I want you. I could tell from the day we met at the bar. The way our eyes locked. when I found out you were the one doing the job was you. It's always been you. I want you then, and I want you now. But I promise not to bother you, so I'm not going to go there. I tried really hard to love her. But as much as I tried, I never actually did, you know? Especially in the beginning, I tried really hard because I know I owed her my life. It was never enough for her. I know what you're thinking. What's an asshole? Which is fair, you know? I did ask her for a divorce. She wasn't having any of it. The night she passed away, I asked her for a divorce, and I said I wasn't going to take it back. She stormed out of the house, extremely angry. And the next news I heard was that the bus she was in got burned down to the ground.
Boss?
Yeah, bus. I mean, Tolu was kind of weird, you know? When she got stressed, she would enter a bus or like a public transportation, you know? She said the chatter of strangers calmed her down. I don't know, it's weird, but that's how she was. She was crazy, definitely, but she didn't deserve to die. You know, I think back to that day. Maybe if I didn't tell her that I wanted a divorce, she wouldn't have stormed out of the house and lost her life in that bus, you know? Like, I mean, maybe she wouldn't have stormed out and she wouldn't have lost her life in that bus, you know? I need to stop. I sound like a broken record. Just whining. I'm sorry about that.
Stop it. You sound like a human being with a functioning heart.
Thank you for not judging me.
But I'm wondering why you still haven't told me about your health, Daffy Noir. Okay, look. I didn't mean to pry, but I saw the report in Tolu's office.
It's nothing. My ALS, I figured out I had it like 3 years ago, and we took care of it then. It's not a problem anymore. It's not a problem. That's all.
Seeing your fingers twitch at times. Painkillers?
No, it's... Trust me, I promise. It's not a problem. That's all. Okay? Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Can I sit, or would that stop your flow of inspiration? Just let me know.
Well, you know what? You're in luck because I was just about to wrap up.
Oh.
Yeah, you know,
great.
as a morning person, I don't joke with my early start, so we're good.
Wonderful. I see. Well, your outline got approved, so congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You know, I call it my baby. You know, that's what validates me as a writer. But then it's been over 4 years and nothing. So sometimes claiming the title a writer can be quite, you know, difficult with just one book credit.
I mean, does it matter? For real?
In a utopian world, it shouldn't matter. But then, in this world, with plenty of bills to be paid, yeah, it does matter a lot. Yeah.
Left a huge imprint on me that night. I felt kind of foolish not being able to shake off a one night stand, but I couldn't go past that night. I knew I wanted to find you. I didn't know how I was going to find you. All you left behind was a note with 0 clues on it.
Well, that's funny. Coming from a closet enemy of love. So she has stopped being a nuisance because of your money, right?
Come on, babe. She's a good mother.
Hello. Okay, I'll call you soon, okay? As soon as I can.
So as soon as you go there, yeah, sure. That glows on your face. She'll definitely like you've been missing these days, right?
Glow. What glow are you talking about?
Don't blame me for her. You are basically the working on the discover right now. Drop the ASAP.
It's not only ASAP I will drop. ASAP rocking call.
Yes, because of your nature. So you that's obvious on your spot. So are you guys together or something?
It's really not that serious.
Is that how you really feel, or you are just protecting yourself from the failure?
This is why I actually prefer writing about love and not actually feeling it. Now look at what happened between you and GT.
Me and GT were fine.
For now. What happens if you're not making as much as you're making now? What if I don't get any book deals and things like that? What happens then?
Okay, call back when you can call her.
Fine. Hey. Hey, honey.
I love you.
Fine.
Got this for you.
Babe, what is this?
It's chocolate.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. How did you know I love chocolates?
Well, I have my ways, you know.
Come on, be serious. How did you know? Is this just some random gift or something?
No, it's not random. Okay, it's Remy from your book. You know, the one that's not based on you. That's all. The character. You know, it's so not based on you.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she likes chocolate.
You know what? I give you that, but I think she just picked a tiny bit from me.
Just a tiny bit.
Yes, just a tiny bit.
Come on.
Oh my gosh, babe.
Please.
Oh my goodness, Charlie. Thank you so much.
I love you.
What?
I truly love you, like, so much. And it kind of terrifies me a bit because I've never felt like this ever in my life for anyone. And I'd rather embrace the fear and face my fears than not know what could happen. Okay, say something, please.
Look, I love you too. Definitely, I do. I love you. Come here.
Slowly now.
I love you. Oh my god. Who are you? Oh my gosh. You know.
No. There's no wiggle room, okay? It's mine, you, or nothing.
Or nothing.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah. I know, you should be on the winning team. I'm winning everything. You can't beat me in anything, so you might as well be on the winning team. Yeah?
Oh my gosh. Oh,
That's crazy.
very pretty.
My first player, I'm not girl. The black guy, it's like, black message.
Oh, really? Lovely.
He is, yeah, like, let's learn something from me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. You know what?
What?
This, I don't even know what to say right now. No. Seriously. No. Seriously.
Are you
No,
sure?
like, I'm serious.
No, it's making sense. It makes a lot
But
of sense.
yeah,
Just,
see, that's what he wants.
Yeah.
Right? So like, I just do like this. No, you're laughing, right?
I'm laughing. That's laughing.
Keep laughing.
Okay.
Keep laughing. Why you laugh? I'm serious. I'm actually very serious.
You're actually my good luck charm because I know that you are going to win this match. And I bet money on this match. So if we win this match, I'll give the crew free ticket.
Oh!
If we win them. I'm a gentleman.
Okay.
Ladies.
Oh my gosh.
Alright. No. Okay, I'll sorry, I'll stop.
Okay, let's go.
It wasn't my fault.
Yes!
You need to concentrate.
Sure.
Okay? You need to block out everything.
This is not fair.
Tunnel vision.
Okay.
So I need to.
What are you doing?
It's all in the wrist, man.
Oh my god.
All in the wrist, okay?
Okay.
It's
fine.
not from the muscle, it's not from the fingers, it's the wrist. Okay?
Okay, I hear you.
Well, why the light on the. Oh, okay. Oh!
No way! No!
What do you mean?
That was fake.
No!
You held the bottle.
I didn't touch the bottle!
You did this.
Come
That's
on!
what you
did I
did.
do?
That's what
I
you
never.
did.
Okay.
That's what you did.
I'll do one more time.
Oh,
The last time, okay? I stopped
okay.
cheating.
You are the one cheating.
I never cheat.
Oh, really?
Never.
Okay.
In games and in relationship.
I see what you did there.
Oh! Yes! Yes!
No!
What?
You still
Oh
did
my god!
You still... No.
Oh my god!
I did.
That's not what I did. You see, yours fell.
Wait, let me try.
Okay, you can try. Yeah, it's in the wrist. Okay, no, wait, hold on. Let me work out your wrist. Alright.
Okay. Shit.
You get there. Maybe in 2 years.
No, stop.
You keep pressing everything in 2 years. So.
But this is what you did. So,
what did I do?
So you... Oh my gosh, and everything happened so fast. It was like, look at what? I'm telling you, yes. Oh my god. Look, everything just happened so fast. It was so beautiful. And he just proposed just like that. Okay, you want to take a look at it? Okay, like, look. What up? See?
I don't wanna meet your mother.
Do you like it? It's beautiful, right?
Remember what happened.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm telling you, yes. It was really beautiful. It was. Oh my god.
The way my the way if every move you're The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. 'Cause every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something said, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, show me what you can do. Make the move, the way my hands, the way we're dancing. With every move, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. 'Cause every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, every step you're falling in love. Every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, every step you're falling in love. Every move that I'm making. Best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to start, I'll show me what you can do. Wait for the
Oh my days.
What
Oh
you take
my
to
days.
What are you doing?
You look amazing. No, 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 just hold that pose, hold that pose. Oh my god. No, I need to slant it so I can get all the
No, stop it.
the
Leave me alone.
goodness.
Leave me alone.
You look amazing. No, no, just like yeah, that yes, it's given. It's given, honestly. And you woke up like this too.
Oh, please, leave me
You
alone.
woke up like this.
Taffy, what's wrong with you?
Beyonce is learning war.
Oh,
She did learn war, eh? See the swag, the skis, and the smile, and it's all mine.
You're so silly.
Oh my god, not you. I'm sorry.
Oh!
Remove your hand, please.
Wow!
I'm kidding. Babe, I'm
Really?
kidding. I'm sorry. I was kidding. I was kidding. You know, come here. It's my family, literally. 2 in 1 right now.
Right?
Yeah. Buy one, get one free.
What? What are you talking about?
Kidding, babe.
Nah. Always saying that. Oh, someone's at the door.
No, they can wait. They can wait.
What do you mean? We're
Yeah.
responsible adults. We need to get the door.
We don't have to be responsible adults all the time, babe. Come on.
We need to get the door.
Okay. You win. I'll get the door.
No, listen, I've been sitting here for quite some time, so I want some blood circulation on my feet, so let me get it.
Are you serious right now?
Yes, let me get it.
Now check out, these pictures are really nice.
Oh, really?
Oh, look at this one.
What?
It's a smile on your...
What?
When I woke up, I was in the middle of nowhere, covered in bruises. I don't even know how I got there. Someone must have pulled me out of the vehicle before.
It was reported that the bus exploded.
Yes. Whoever saved my life just left me there, unconscious. For weeks I wandered the streets, just trying to piece things together. I couldn't remember anything. This kind old lady, bless her soul, she took me in, treated me like her daughter. And I mean, I couldn't remember anything, but it was better than being on the streets. Last month, I stumbled on this old article. said that my book had been commissioned to another writer by my editor.
Daffy.
And my husband.
Daffy.
And that's when I remembered. I remembered everything, Daffy. Came crashing in and I was so scared.
Daffy.
I couldn't even read the rest of the article. I came here.
I'm really sorry for everything. I'm really sorry for everything you had to go through.
I know you're doing.
Babe, I'm sorry about this. I'm really sorry about
It's not your fault. I'm not comfortable with her in this house. She cannot stay here with us.
I know, definitely not. But we need to be gentle with how we handle this, you know? I mean, she used to be my wife, you know, she used to live here for 8 years, you know, we're married
Listen,
and stuff.
babe, I understand all of that, but you need to handle this fast. I am losing my mind already.
I promise I'll handle it fast. I'll handle it. I promise you, babe. Okay? I'm really sorry about this.
God.
Babe? You okay? Talk to me. Babe, talk to me, okay? Are you okay? Is there a problem? I'll be right back, okay? Back in a second. So look, we need to talk. It's really important.
What is it, Daffy?
Okay, see, it's not an issue, me giving you more money. I'm actually offering more money for you to help you start over your life again, right? But you can't stay here. I'm being honest with you. You cannot stay here. I'll help you start off whatever business you want.
You want me to leave this house? Our home. My home, Daffy. I am legally your wife. I don't care what you think or what you say. So the person who should be leaving is that thing you have in your room.
So do not call her a thing, okay? That's very disrespectful.
I beg, Daffy. Do you know you're committing bigamy? Eh? I am very much alive. And you're shacking up with that gold digger. What will people say?
They declared you dead. What do you want me to do? They said you were dead. You were declared dead. That's the information I got, that you are gone, okay?
You need to let go of this us fantasy. We're over it.
Dafe, who declared me dead? Declared dead by who? By my estimation, it's barely even 3 years. And you're frolicking around with girls, anything in skirts. Not like I ever stopped you in the first place.
So, please, stop. You're making this very
Dafe, I begged for your love. I fought for your love. I worked for your love. I gave my kidney for it. Yet nothing. Now look at you. Acting like a knight in shining armor for that thing. That girl, that's nothing.
Hey, this doesn't have to be difficult. It doesn't have to deteriorate to this level. Okay? Our marriage wasn't working. It wasn't. You know that. Let's all think it was different because you know what it was.
Oh, please.
Okay? And let's not even get into your gambling addiction. Like, let's not even go there. Don't get me started on that.
My gambling addiction.
Hey, I'm being honest right now.
Dafe, we did not work because you didn't want us to work. How could you? You brought that girl in to steal my career, my life, my work. You! Next thing I hear, you have a bastard on the way.
Hey, do not talk about my child or Fola like that ever in your life. I am begging you, don't do that. Okay, because I begged you for a child. I begged you for that. But you are too self-centered to do it. Okay, so don't insult my family. Please don't.
Also, you know how to protect people. You know how to protect people, Abi. You've never stood up for me. Never! Daffy, I don't care what you think or what she says. You carry a piece of me in you. And I am never leaving that piece. I will ride and die for you. Daffy, it is you and I forever. I don't care if I have to go to court. I am fighting for my rights as your wife. I married you first. And I am not leaving this house.
So,
excuse
All
me.
the times I can't miss myself, there gotta be heaven and hell. So can you stop a chest? Swear to God you're a narcissist. Never again.
What are we going to do? Should we call the police?
No. It's going to escalate things unnecessarily. We don't need to do that, okay? I'll figure out a way, to make her leave amicably, though. We don't need the drama at all. It's going to be fine. You okay? Huh?
Hold your head. Lose yourself.
She's driving me crazy. What is going on right now? It makes no sense. Like, I'm so stressed out. And I shouldn't be this stressed out in my own house. It makes no sense. What am I supposed to do? I have no idea. Okay? Listen, no. Listen to me. That is not my fault. I can't control what she does. Okay? I can't control it. Then don't blame me for it then, because this is like, listen, I'm the one suffering this. Okay? Frankly, I'm the one suffering this. So don't blame me. It makes no sense what you're trying to do right now. You don't have to blame on me. I'm trying to fix it. I'm going to fix it. I'll try. Okay, I'll try. Like, what do you want from me? What do you really want from me?
It's ringing.
You startled me.
Surprise, surprise. That's what you get when you play landlady in another woman's home.
Look, it's late. I don't want to do this with you.
Oh, but you must. How do you sleep at night, Fola? When you know you're sleeping in another woman's bed, fondling her husband, opening her kitchen door. You think you can come and take everything that I've worked for, Abi?
I did not take anything that wasn't mine to take.
Oh, but you have. You took my husband. You took my work, my book. You've taken everything that I have worked for.
I admire your work, you know. The strength you give your characters to leave situations that we're not serving them anymore. But maybe you should borrow a leaf from your own creation.
How dare you? I should leave my house. You have some nerve. You really do.
How dare I? Look around you, Tolu. You are holding on to a man that was never yours to begin with.
You know nothing about our story.
You're right, don't. But forcing someone to stay does not bring love. It only brings misery. Can't you see that?
Fola, you really have nerve. You think you can manhandle my husband? Eh? What? What did you do? Ah! What is this you dance in your hand? You are not taking my man. I want to her! I want to her for you! Oh my God! Leave me alone! Oh my God!
What's going on? What happened? Babe, talk to me. What's going on? What happened? What on earth happened? Everything's going to be okay, okay? I'm going to call the ambulance right now, okay? Don't worry about it. Everything's going to be okay. I promise you. I promise you, okay? Don't worry about it. You, the baby, me, everything's going to be perfect. I promise you.
I remember years ago, something missing in my soul. Chasing highs, yet always feeling low. I remember how you looked.
Hey, beautiful.
When I was hooked. Found the missing piece that made me whole. True love don't
You know, me to eat. It's good for you. You know, I checked on the baby. He's doing okay. He's sleeping. You okay?
What do you think happened to her?
I have no idea. But I trust the police to figure it out. Come on. I'll be back in a second, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Hey, babe. Some special deliveries for you.
Oh,
Yeah. This one's from Stan.
wow.
Congratulations. That's all right. I got my godson with ladies. Just taking the witness.
And this is from your mom. This came with it.
My mom.
Yes.
My dearest father, I know I haven't been a good mother. I know for that. I am truly sorry. But I'm so proud of the woman that you become. Not having a father and having a troublesome mother like me. I must stop you. And I pray that nothing else will. I hope this small gift reminds you of how much I love you and how sorry I am. Peace by God's son for me.
Well, I'm glad you like him.
Where do I even start?
I guess Noah Jr. got jealous.
Right.
Let me go get him.
Okay.
Back in a second.
All right.
Everything will be okay. I hope I'm not coming on too strong, but you feel like family to me.
Fear is not your MO for Lakuti, so act like it.
'Cause you feel like family to me. Yeah, you feel like family to me. Yeah, you feel like family to me. You're the reason I wake up with a smile and feel enough.